What's up, YouTube? I'm Josh with Linscott Engineering, and we're looking at this FS L200 motor that I've been obsessing with for the last 3 or 4 months. And what I've done is the clutch, and I made a CNC header pipe for it for a project. The clutch is a Traxxas Revo 3.3 clutch that amazingly is super easy to put on. Let's get this off. So all you have to do is pull that nut off. Is basically in there, all you have to do is get set screws that are 2.5 millimeter, and they thread right into this flywheel. I got this all put together. Now I haven't tested it. I don't know if that spring is too stiff. From what I understand, the Revo revs out around 50,000 RPM max, and this is a 16,000 RPM motor. But all I did was put 2 set screws in there. Now you do have to drill and tap this piece for 6 millimeter. So there is, I guess it's not that simple. Anyways, you gotta drill and tap it. I'll do it for you. But what I've noticed with this Traxxas Revo clutch is these bearings are absolute garbage. And I broke one, and I had a ratty bearing laying around. But when you put it on there, look at all that slop. Just absolute garbage. Come on, Traxxas. Anyways, it's pretty simple to adapto kit that. Now also, I've made this exhaust manifold. And this motor is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it in every way possible. So I made this exhaust manifold. Like I say, I haven't tested it, but this pulls off, and these are Teflon bushings, and you can see they're almost press fit on there. That's a Teflon bushing, and it goes on there like that. It's just beautiful. And these are drilled and reamed to go over there, and you can see I have a little pinch bolt. So there should not be any oil. All this is doing, you might not even need the pinch bolt, but that just goes, let's see if I can get it on there. That just goes on there. You can almost hear it just beautifully. I can almost pick the motor up. I can't pick the motor up with just that. Anyways, the out holes are 5 millimeter. So I tried to double up the diameter, and you can see I did this at work when Boss Man wasn't there. Don't tell him if anyone knows him. So the hole diameter is both of those 5 millimeter hole diameters out. So it ends up being 5/16, which is somewhere around 8 millimeters. It's not 10 millimeters, but it's close. And I plan on putting a pinch, when I run the exhaust, a pinch bolt, a pinch right there with the same Teflon bushing on there. Anywho, this came out pretty good for sneaking it in. Now, if people end up wanting some of these, I may make more. I don't know if it's going to be a demand, but no one else makes these. And I have the CNC mill in my garage. And I got the 3D printer. But I might make some, I don't know. Whatever. But what I want to do is put it on some sort of hot rod crawler slash, I don't know. But I ordered these axles from eBay. And they're absolutely amazing. They're CNC'd straight from China. But for $88 for the set of these are absolutely freaking amazing. And I'd like to use them on the project. I got the front and rear. These tires are just for mock-up. You know, but like, look at that billet. Look how beautiful that is. Anywho, I want to make a 4-wheel drive rat rod with some crawler but short suspensions. Anywho, let me know what you think. This is my first YouTube video. I guess everybody says like, subscribe, and troll. Let me know what you think. Bye.